that for this little FZ, huh? Seems like I'm always at the gas station when I start these videos. What we're gonna do today is run some errands. It always begins with a full tank of gas. Alright, how's it going, guys? So today, I'm gonna take a little ride around the city, run some errands that I actually need to do, get some basic stuff that I need. You know, everyone needs coffee, right? Every Monday morning, you make a nice hot cup of coffee. So I'm gonna run to the store, get that, probably ride around a little bit, see what's up. But yeah. What's going on here? Can I join you guys? Honestly, I love lane splitting. It's just so nice. Should we do a wheelie? Should we do a wheelie? No. I bet my friends watching this will really love me if I did some wheelies, huh? But I can't, I can't. Because I might loop it. That's why. Thank you. Pick a lane, buddy. Yep. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Who says the CP2 doesn't sound good? Honestly. It sounds absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Sorry, thank you. I don't know. I don't want to say it sounds like the R1 because it doesn't. Because the R1 just sounds so much more fierce. It just sounds like the R1's brother. It's crazy. It just sounds so good. Usually super sports sound like little flies, like flying around. But no, not really. It sounds, I don't know, it sounds like a weird Harley in a weird way. So, should you buy a motorcycle? I think that's what I really want to talk about today. Think about it. Should you buy a motorcycle? Is that a good question to ask yourself? I say yes. But do you know what you want to do with that motorcycle? That's a second question you should ask yourself. Do you want to commute? Do you want to ride tracks? Do you want to have a little spirited drive on the weekend? What's your main goal? I personally want to ride something comfortable, I don't really want to be in like an uncomfortable position the entire time. Something with soft suspension, not to destroy my back when I'm riding. Let's see. Something with a lot of torque too. You gotta have something with some torque, If you're riding around the city, you gotta have the power to get you out of sticky situations, you know what I mean? I do like the MT07 because it's pretty light. Doesn't really bother you because, it's a very light bike, Just you can swing it around. You can control the bike. The bike doesn't control you, If the bike controls you, that's a opportunity to actually ride the thing. So if you can't ride the bike, how could you ever progress in your skills? That's why a lot of people always discuss the whole, should you start on a 600? Should you start on a 1000? Because, you know, people say like, oh, but if I start on a 600, I'm just going to get used to it. And then I have to upgrade again. But the fact is that a lot of people will never really reach the potential that their 600 is capable of. And then their egos will come in and be like, oh, no, I got it, bro. I'll get a 600. You know, I don't want to start on a small bike. Why would I want to start on a small bike? That's the mentality most people have, which will lead them to very big and usually sticky situations. So my experience with the track was, every time I'll be behind another rider, they would not have the skill to go fast through the corner that I was going in, but their bike was so fast that once the corner ended, they would just slingshot out of the corner. Meanwhile, I was like still like trying to get up to speed. Then I would catch up to them at the next corner, and it was kind of the same process over and over again until sometimes I had the chance of like overtaking them. But that's the thing with my skill level, I didn't really try to pass anyone on the outside because I just kind of felt uncomfortable. I didn't want to do anything stupid, that's for sure. In the group I was in, they didn't allow for inside passing because I had a few chances that I probably could have passed in the inside, but I would just slow down just not to have anyone have an accident or anything. Bikes like this are probably better for short tracks, as in not long sweepers, not long straights, something not like a go-kart track, but a little bit bigger than a go-kart track. Wow, no nod, bro. Thanks. That's funny because I was setting out to ride to just get some freaking coffee. Ended up riding around God knows where. But that's the thing. Once you get on a motorcycle, dude, you literally have so many places to go and you don't even know it. You just start riding around a lot. You will never know this feeling until you actually get on a bike and start riding. Once your fear dissipates as well. But you know, a lot of people have a lot of fear once they start riding, when they're new to riding. I had a lot of fear as well, you know, everyone does, you know, they're literally riding a motorcycle, no seatbelts, no airbags, nothing. It's just you and literally the world. And honestly, there's a lot of dumb people, a lot of dumb drivers out on the road every day. So you just gotta, I don't know, you gotta pick your battles. You gotta think about the risk to reward, I guess. Is the risk you're putting down enough for the reward that you're getting back? To some people it is, to some people it's not. Some people will enjoy sitting in a car, sitting in traffic all day. I don't know. That's not me. That is literally not me. I don't find that enjoying. I personally hate traffic. The only reason why it sucks to commute a motorcycle is you always have to be in gear. And yeah, you could be a squid and not wear any gear, but dude, come on, that's your life. Are you willing to pay the price? I'm not. But with the gear comes extra luggage you gotta carry around. You got your helmet, you got your big jacket, you gotta wear the jeans, well, riding pants, which are always like filled with freaking protection, which just makes things a lot more bulky. Riding pants, riding shoes are not always the nicest, you know, but the ones I got on are pretty nice. They're not bad. I got all the goods. My Monday is gonna look amazing tomorrow. That sweet, sweet, sweet aroma of coffee in the morning. Wow, I didn't even have some today.